China's dark factories, the AI robot wave.
Picture a factory the size of 11 football fields producing smartphones non-stop in pitch darkness, completely run by autonomous robots without human presence. Xiaomi's Beijing Smart Factory operates 24/7, turning out 10 million smartphones a year with lines making real-time autonomous adjustments. Powered by the Hyper EMP platform, LiDAR and infrared sensors serve as the factory's nervous system, eliminating the need for lighting and human climate control. Nest. No wages, no shift changes, and no breaks. Dark factories/operational overhead, creating an unbeatable cost and manufacturing advantage. China's manufacturing workforce lost over 30 million factory jobs, yet national exports reached record highs, proving automation's tremendous scale. By 2026, roughly 60% of manufacturers worldwide will adopt this model, transforming global supply chains and regional labor markets everywhere. Capital flows toward automation suppliers, precision component makers, and integrators providing the motors, sensors, and brains behind the shift. The lights are turning off across modern factories. Understanding where the money moves allows you to thrive alongside this physical AI wave.